कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय सद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमोत्सवाय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरक्षसे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Please check. Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Check one, please.
तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अस्तुतर वेदांत स्वामी महाराज नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अस्तुतर महाराज
Hari Bol, am I audible?
हरि कथा सत्यविद सदियों की मेरा
So, from since morning, we are hearing about the Srila Maharaj, the transcendental, the character of Srila Maharaji. So, from different Vaishnava, we have heard about the Maharaji. We have heard this. This is a very nice thing. Vaishnavi Gurgan, Karil Jivratan. If we hear the glory of the Vaishnav, so all the auspiciousness comes in our life. So today is Dev Shaini Ekadashi also. So Thakurji will sleep from today onwards for 4 months. The Purushottam month, September. So maybe Thakurji will sleep in this year 5 months because Purushottam Mass is also there. So being Adhik Maas, the Purushottam Mass, when Adhik Maas is going to start? September. From 14th September to or 16th September to October. So 2 months. October. Yes, 1 month. So from today also Jagannath ji will return back. Ulta Rath means one is a straight Rath and second is Ulta Rath. Ulta Rath means return back. Jagannath ji, he went to Gundicha Mandir, now he is returning back today. This is also called Bahuda Rath Yatra. Bahuda Rath means Thakurji is returning back to Jagannath temple. And Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj used to say, so Bahuda Rath, when Thakurji used to go, many people take the part in that chariot, in that festival. Where is Thakurji going? He is going to Vrindavan. That's why many people with so much enthusiasm, he used to take part in that Rath Yatra. When Thakurji returning back, so no more people is staying there, because how people can return back from the Vrindavan. So our Gurudev, my Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to say, no, it's not like that. Because in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he is described, so we have to accept that. So Mahaprabhu himself, being so much enthusiasm, he
और गुंडीचा मंदिर से जो है
and he was coming back from Gundicha Mandir to Jagannath Ji.
वो भावना क्या है?
What kind of feeling is that? So it is especially clear mentioned.
जगन्नाथের পুনঃ পাণ্ডু বিজয় হইল এই যে কোটি স্পষ্ট ধরি তাহা যদি গেল পাণ্ডু বিজয়ে প্রভু তুলি ফাটি যায় জগন্নাথের ঘরে তুলি ভুল আপনার তো চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভুর বিচার নির্ভর
So there is a view of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that I already told you he is going to bring from Dwarika to Vrindavan. I already told you. But Mahaprabhu is saying no.
সহজে ঠাকুর जो है
When again Thakurji is coming back,
वो द्वारका से
he is coming from Dwarika to Vrindavan also. When he is returning back.
উপভোগ প্রজপ্রভুর লয়া ভক্তগণ পরম আনন্দ করে নর্তন কীর্তন उसी भावना से
So in the same feeling,
दासी भावना सिद्धिर भवती दासी जो जिस भावना लेकर के
so the same feeling
सेवा करे
who is serving the same feelings who serve the Thakurji, so he will get the same benefit.
किंतु महाप्रभु ने विचार किया
But what is the philosophy or view of Mahaprabhuji? Mahaprabhu's view is
तो क्या है
Thakurji is returning back to Vrindavan from Dwarka.
किंतु साधारण लोग ये विचार नहीं आता
But ordinary people cannot think that. Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami, he is saying Purvavat,
जिस प्रकार
just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
वृंदावन का उच्चारण
he was going to Vrindavan from Jagannath or Kurukshetra, he is going to Vrindavan. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what is his view? That Jagannath is returning back to Vrindavan. From Kurukshetra or Dwarika to Vrindavan. He is returning back. So this is the philosophy or views Mahaprabhu.
रीति के अनुसार
So according to all the rituals they have followed, when Thakurji used to get on the chariot of Jagannath Ji, they used to give the applause of the cottons. So they used to get on him gradually. So in the same way they are following all the rituals and they get on the Thakurji on the chariot.
भावी उसी प्रकार है
And they have this kinds of feeling also.
महाप्रभु के भाव क्या है
What is the feelings of Mahaprabhu? That Thakurji resides in Vrindavan.
वृंदावन परित्यज्य
Padikam gacchami. Vrindavan paritijam padikam gacchami. So this kinds of Mahaprabhu have this kinds of feelings. So that's why Thakurji is staying in Vrindavan.
महाप्रभु के भाव
This is the feelings of Mahaprabhu. But ordinary people, what they have this kinds of mentality, they think when Rath Yatra ends up, so after 2 days, there is all things disappear. Everybody disappear from there. It's all isolated because in this when Thakurji is coming back, so there are no more people taking part in that Rath Yatra.
ज्यादातर जो है उधर के स्थानीय लोग खेत करके ले
Only the people, local people who used to pull the chariot of Thakurji,
जाते हैं सब
the people who used to go, they return back to their home.
किंतु
But if we take the deep views, if we go into deeper, so this is not the philosophy of Mahaprabhu. Krishna always resides in Vrindavan. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he stayed in Jagannath Puri. He was thinking like that I am residing in always Vrindavan.
अनेर मन मन मोर मन वृंदावन
अनेर मन मन।
তাহাতে তোমার পাদত দয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মান दूसरी के मन साधन मन किंतु महाप्रभु कहे मेरे मन क्या है
So Mahaprabhu is saying,
अभी
my man is non different from Vrindavan. There is no difference between
बात करना है कहाँ
residing in Vrindavan
और जैसे आप लोग
every day.
वृंदावन वाद
You used to say Mamastu Vrindavan Vasam, you pray always late. So where is Vrindavan actually?
कहाँ पर बात करना है जत्रैव
Yatreva, where Vrishvahanu Nandi, Srimati Vrishvahanu Nandi Radhika,
श्लोक में क्या है
in the Shlok,
जत्रैव क्या श्लोक है नहीं जहाँ पर श्रीमती
where Srimati Radhika,
है उसमें इसको देखो
which is the Shlok
जहाँ
that?
पर राधा जी के जब
Anybody knows? Please tell instantly if somebody knows.
होती है
Where Radhaji is Pratipatti,
नहीं वो वृंदावन वापस
Vrindavan Vasistha. No, like that. Arey. No, this is the differential of where Vishbhanu Vishwananandini Srimati Radhika Rani, she is Pratipatti. Yatradi Adipatya. Yatradi Patra Vishwanuputra, like Yeno Daya Sukam Dayana, like this. Where Srimati Radhika, Adipatya means Adipatya, there she is controlling there. Adipatya means controlling in the Vrindavan. So Adipatya means controlling. So where Vishwananandini has the control, so I always wants to stay there. All the Vrindavan. So everywhere, if we are saying about the Vrindavan, this is not. So here it is saying the Brihad Vrindavan, not Panchakosi Vrindavan. So in Brihad Vrindavan also, Chandravali also staying. This is called Sakhi place. Sakhi Stali. We are not going to Sakhi Stali, where Raghunath Das Goswami, we have heard the character skit of Raghunath Das Goswami. He was performing bhajan in Radha Kund, and every day one Brajvasi used to go one bowl of buttermilk to him, and he used to take that only. One day what happened, that Brajvasi, he took a big pot of buttermilk. He took a big bowl and gave the buttermilk to Raghunath Goswami. Raghunath Goswami asked, every day you used to give a little bowl to me, the buttermilk, but now you have given the big one. Where you have got from? So he said, he was very simple Brajvasi. He said, I went to Sakhi place, Sakhi Chandravali's place. So I went to Chandravali's place today, and when I went there, so I got the big bowl and buttermilk they were distributing. So Raghunath Das Goswami, hearing that, he threw that buttermilk pot and he started beating to take a stick. So he said, you went to Sakhi place, Chandravali place. So who are giving the suffering to my Srimati Radhika? So how she is giving so much flattery talks to Krishna, and she takes him to her place. So that's why there is a shlok is quoting Yatraiva Yatradi Vishwanu Jaya, where Srimati Radhika has the control over Vrindavan. So I will go only that place. No, I won't go to Chandravali place, because he has the nishtha towards Radharani's. Is staying in Vrindavan, it is good, but where we have to stay. So this is our Acharya Path told also. Anaradya Radha Padam Bujarini. So Raghunath Das Goswami, in this shloka, he is expressing his feeling towards Radha Nishtha. Anaradya Radha Padam Bujarini. So you have to follow 3 rules for serving the Srimati Radhika. First name is, you have to be one point in Nishtha towards Radharani feet first, and second is so you must have the faith towards Vrindavan, take the shelter in Vrindavan, and third one, the hearing Hari Katha by the so you have to hear the Hari Katha by the Rasik, Braj Rasik people who is observed here high in the Radha Bhav, and you have to hear the Hari Katha from their lotus mouth, and you have to hear the Premmai Katha of Radharani. So these 3 rules you have to follow. If you would like to drawn into a Shyam Sindhu, so you have to follow these 3 rules. Shyam Sindhu, what is Shyam Sindhu? Krishna's love. What is Shyam Ras? Shyam Ras is also known as Shingar Ras.
देवतः
Shingar Shama iti Vishnu Devita.
विष्णु दैवत नाम से कोई रसिक आचार्य
So there was a Rasik Acharya Vishnu Devit. So according to Ras Vichar he said Sham Ras is meaning is equal to Shingar Ras.
अलग अलग जो है कला मिलता है
Every ras has a different color, just like mango.
जब हम पकते नहीं कच्चा आम
When we take the raw mango,
पक जाता है
so it is a different color. And when that mango ripe, so it becomes little bit reddish. We used to say, like this, very nice. So when mango is not completely ripe, first is become the raw, which the color of that mango is green, and after that it little bit ripe, so there is a reddish color, kumkum color, and then it's completely ripe, so it becomes yellow. So the totally color of change, it becomes totally yellow. So in this way it is mentioned in the scriptures. According to Ras Madhurya, Sham Ras means is Shingar Ras. So Shingar Ras Varna is Shama Varna. So if that Shingar Ras so much matured, so that become kumkum color, reddish color. So that is called Anurag color. That is called Anurag. And when that Anurag condensed so much or matured, so that Anurag becomes yellow color. Like this is the stage of. So this is all described in the stage of Mahabharata. If you have to know so more, so you have to. There is a Granth of Swarup Damodar, so you have to read this. Swarup Damodar has described about this very nicely. Which Granth? Which was the Granth of Swarup Damodar, where he has described about the Rashat. Anybody knows, please. There is a Granth of Swarup Damodar. One is Sangeet Madhav. Many Granths. There are many kinds of Granths which is differentiate so many kinds of describing there. So if somebody has to enter in the Shingar Ras, Madhurya Ras, so Sham Ras, it not he is saying to Krishna. Here it means Madhurya Ras. Shingar means Madhurya Ras. If somebody has to enter in the Braj Madhurya Ras, so he has to follow these three rules. That's why Mahaprabhu, Sachinandan Gaurhari, so he discussed these kinds of feelings with Swarup Damodar Rayalaman day and night. Because the Rath Yatra context is, it is the context of separation. Just like the Kurukshetra context is separation. So there is a show, the separation mode. Srila Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, even in the Srimad Bhagavatam, whatever wrote on the Brahmar Geet, it is showed the separation of Radhaji. But if we take a little bit view, the Kurukshetra Vira, it is very heart melted. How Radhaji is very showed there. Krishna in a grossly, he never went from Dwarika to Vrindavan, because it is mentioned that Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Kaviraj is describing there. Krishna said himself, "Hey gopis, you are my life. I cannot live without you. Day and night I can remember only you. Even whenever you are staying in the Vrindavan, you are so much suffering in the separation, so I reach to you. But you think this is a dream, that I am not with you.
किंतु वास्तव सत्य नहीं है।
But actually this is not a dream. I myself presented before you. That's why our Rupa Goswami Pad is giving the evidence. Once Srimati Radhika, she was remembering Krishna on the separation of Krishna. She was remembering,
अपने हाथ को जो है
and when she
मस्तक पर
put his hand on his forehead,
और इतने
at that time
राधा जी
Radha ji, she was remembering in that separation mode, and she was thinking, remembering the meeting, that how
मेरे आंखों में जो है
Krishna has putting his hand on my eyes, and he has closed my eyes, just like people used to go and they used to caught their somebody's eyes by their hands. So in the same way, Radha ji in this separation mode, she is saying,
जो कृष्ण साक्षात रूप में हमारे पास आकर
Krishna physically presented before me, and he was closing my eyes with his hand, and he was asking, who am I? Please tell Radha. Just like you have seen the little children, they used to come to everybody and they used to catch the eye, hold the eye of someone with hands, and they used to, oh, please tell me, who am I? Who am I? So the people got to know, oh, you have to recognize who is that, who is that. In the same way, Radha Rani, she closed her eyes when she was remembering Krishna. So at the time she was thinking about the meeting mode of Krishna. Hey Radhe, I tell you that that day of Leela, I was always with you. But you think that it's a dream. Actually, it's not a dream. It is truth. I physically and truly I was with you. So it is the proof is given in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said to Jagdanand, when he was going to Navdeep, so please give one news to my mother and take this prasad, the Jagannath prasad, and cloths to my mother. Mahaprabhu every year, at the time of Jagannath Rath Yatra and the Chaturmas, when he returned back to Jagannath, so he used to take some sweets and cloths for her mother, and he was remembering the katha, that how my mother is suffering in my separation. But before taking sannyas, I gave the promise to my mother, hey ma, I will always reside with you, Sachir Mandire. He took an oath that I will stay in 5 places always, Sachir Mandire, Shrivas Angane, Nityanand Natyane, Advait Avahani, and Raghav Pandit Grahe. So Mahaprabhu stayed there for 5 places. So Mahaprabhu said himself, when I told you that please give this news to my mother, that one day my mother, she was preparing something for Thakurji, and she made so many kinds of vegetables, and she made 2 vegetables especially, Doodh Laklaki and mocha flower, so because it is so much favorite of Mahaprabhu, this is banana flower. So Mahaprabhu used to do Sridhar with Sridhar Prem Kala. So before Sannyas Grahan, he used to fight with Sridhar Pandit, I think, about the vegetables. So these both things before the sannyas, Sridhar Pandit gave to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for preparation, Khir Laklaki and mocha. So after the sannyas, Sachi Devi, she cooked these things for Thakurji, and when she was offering the food, and she took out from the altar, and she was remembering, and she was thinking that if Nimai would be with me, so he used to take this both vegetables, Doodh Laklaki and mocha flowers, banana flowers. But today Nimai is not with us. Nimai is taking the sannyas, and now he is so far. He is Jagannath. He is staying in Jagannath now. So in this way, what she was thinking, though she was so much intoxicated, she was so much observed in that bhav. So after 2 hours, when she got the consciousness, so she thought, oh, it has been a long time I have offered something to Thakurji. So at the time, what happened, when she went to the altar, Garbhagriha, and she saw there was nothing, no rice, vegetables, no mocha, no laklaki, nothing was there. Everything. Sachi Mata was thinking, oh, I haven't offered Thakurji today. If I would have offered, so must be something here in the plate. But now there is a piece of rice and nothing is there. So maybe I would have forget to offer the Thakurji. So maybe I am in dream. I offered something in dream. Then again Sachi Mata. So Mahaprabhu always. Actually, the Bahula. So Bahula Rath means it's not the Ulta Rath. So Rath is never. This is called the Bahuda Yatra. So Mahaprabhu is returning back to Jagannath. Every day what happened? Thakurji used to come at the 10th day. This is called Dashmi Vijay. But nobody knows today. Nowadays, the Thakurji is returning back on Ekadashi. I am not able to understand why Ekadashi on Ekadashi. Maybe about the Vidya or something. But every year Thakurji return back at the 10th day of Rath Yatra, Dashmi. Thakurji used to come 10th day, and at the day of Ekadashi he used to take sleep. But now on the Ekadashi he is returning back, and now today's Thakurji will sleep today also. Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki Jai. And there is a beautiful appearance day today of our Srila Maharaji, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. You have listened so many katha from the Vaishnav Mukharvin, and they remind us so many things. That's why again and again I am Nitya Leela Pravesh Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami. I am praying and giving a Dandavat Pranam to his lotus feet. So in some months, Chaturmas started begin from today onwards. In the Gopinath Mat, Chaitanya Mat. So according to Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, in our Mat, we started following the Chaturmas or Purnima, because Chaturmas end always in Purnima. So at day our Param Gurudev Maharaj, the disappearance day happened, and Visham Panchak started. So Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he started from Purnima and he ended up on Purnima also. He was so much a scholar. He started Yatra in Navdeep. Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Maharaj, he told that this Navdeep is Avinna Vrindavan, is not different from Vrindavan. So Nath Yatra always happen in Vrindavan. If you read the article of Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, many people used to say, so how Navdeep the chariot Rath Yatra can be take place in the Navdeep. So the chariot Yatra always can take place in the Vrindavan. But he is very nicely explained and given an article that all the Vaishnav who was against him, so he became his friend. And he made a chariot. Even today, Devanand Gaudiya Math, they have this kinds of chariot. Maybe you have seen. It is stayed in Devanand Gaudiya Math. So many people used to come and take the part in the chariot. This is the ritual that is going on today, even today there. And Srila Gurudev, Srila Vama Goswami Maharaj, Srila Tiraka Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So they took a part once in Navdeep, and I took a part, fortunately, in that Rath Yatra. Vancha Kalturu Jakrupa Sindhu Patena Pavne Vaishnava. Hare Krishna. Chalo, thank you. English translation ki jai ho.